Good morning, everyone. Welcome if this is your first time here. Welcome back. Nope. Welcome back if this is a return trip for you. My name is April, and this is the Frugal Planner channel. And I just wanted to flip through here really quick. I'm getting ready to set up my day, but I wanted to make sure I have everything that I want. I am going to be using the Sharpie S Gel 0.07. Actually, it's just a 0.7, sorry. And I've already set up a little bit of Thursday. Today's Thursday, July 17th. I have 4 sections set up here. I'll show you what yesterday turned out as. I did get everything filled in and checked off, so it was really, really good. Love how the decorations turned out. So yeah, we are ready for Thursday. Did a little something similar. I used the Pen and Gear double-ended markers and just drew some more circles on the page. And then I'm just going to fill in over everything. Whatever doesn't get filled in, I will make into a doodle flower and let that be that. So let's start filling in. Top priorities for today is coffee and comments. And I already forgot to wear my retainer last night, so I've got to do a better job at doing that. I woke up this morning and I'm like, what did I forget? Why does this feel different? And I'm like, oh, my retainer. Yeah, I left it on my dresser and didn't put it in. Silly me. I need to do another top coat on my nails with the darker polish, and I do a lot of work with paper at work. That was a lot. If I smudge my nails, I'll make black streaks on it, which, you know, is not the greatest. So if I put another layer of top coat on it this morning and let it dry, we should be good. Today is extra conditioner day. Pack lunch. So as you see, I've split this into the categories of top priority, low priority, follow-up, and then notes at the bottom here. So I'm just adding those in. I'm going to grab a little thicker pen. Maybe, what do I have up here? I need to get a hold of our finance department. My payroll's wrong. It's kind of an ongoing thing, so I need to talk to them and find out what happened. We got double deposits today, and they are incorrect. I've been underpaid, so I'll call them or I'll email them and see if they can tell me what happened and see if they can fix that for me. So that is definitely probably my first priority once I get to work. And then low priority is my personal inbox, and I need to do follow-up. I need to do recipe cards. I need to get that done. I also have a follow-up email at work that I need to do for the district attorney's office. It's for discovery. And then I don't have any notes. So I am going to go in here and I am going to fill in this doodle flower here, that doodle flower. Did you guys use the doodle flowers yesterday in any of your setups? I'm going to leave that one alone. I'll do this one. If you did, you can always post pictures and tag me over on Instagram or if you are part of the Facebook group, feel free to always post your pictures over there. I always love looking at how you guys set up your planners and what you're using to do that. So that's what I've got so far for today. And I also wanted to show you a couple of these pages that I did just to give you ideas on how to create additional pages in your spiral notebook as a planner. This is just a day that I sat down, I took my wooden ruler, kind of made double lines, and wrote down video ideas that I had for the channel. Just things that were living inside my head, that I was like, I need to get these down on paper. And then I updated a little bit yesterday as well, like how to use a notebook to document at work, choose size, choose paper, and then choose your layout. So these are the videos that I have written down that I want to complete. Wes, I believe, is leaving next Monday for a bike adventure. So when he's gone, I usually film because I can't sleep. So get ready for some of these videos to post next week. Brain dump page. So this was a brain dump of video ideas, and this is a brain dump of things about applying for a new job or finding a new job or adventuring out with a new position. And so I kind of made a pros and cons, like what I want, what happens if I don't do it, what happens if I do, what am I afraid of, what are my biggest fears, that kind of stuff. And I think it's good to put things down on paper. I am very textural and very paper and pen. Writing it down helps get it out of my head and onto a sheet of paper so that I can flip back to it and be like, oh yeah, I remember I wanted to do that. Or, oh yeah, I wanted to do that. I need to get that done. Same with, things that I'm making decisions on. If I can write it down, review it, maybe there's some emotion in here when I was writing it down, and then I can go back and I can read it and I'd be like, okay, that's not really a pro. That's not really a con. That was just how I was feeling in the moment because of XYZ. So that is just another idea for a layout for you. Let me know what you think down below in the comments of this. Are you going to try this layout today with the top priority, low priority, follow-up, and notes? I'm curious. I'm just messing around with daily layouts this week because life has just, I don't know, there's something about it that this week just feels like daily pages are fitting better with what I'm tackling. So it's keeping my brain organized. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day. I will meet you down in the comments. I know you've probably noticed I haven't been replying to all your comments. I am giving them a thumbs up and a heart to let you know that I've read them. And if I do have an opportunity to go back and write a quick comment, I sure will. But just know I read every single comment, and I will let you know that because I hit that like and I hit that heart, and I appreciate you so, so very much. I will talk to you all soon. Okay, have a good day. Bye.